I mean, if orcs existed, there's no reason to think that they'd be dumber. Just based on cranium size, there's actually no evidence to suggest that they should even be an ounce dumber.
That's only the case in humans.
I know, but
So,
these are humans. An orc is technically a human. If it existed, it would be another race of human. It would just be a person with green skin.
it'd be humanoid.
And for whatever reason, they'd be fucking bulky as shit.
No, but in humans, you're right. Bigger head equals
Yes.
good.
Equals good. Yeah, that's true, actually. That's like that's the dumbest way you can say something smart, but that's true. I'm gaming, bro. I'm gaming. I don't give a fuck if it pulls all three of these fucking things. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. Full cast, easy. It's actually a big brain couch. Oh. We're good, we're good. Oh, respawns, fuck.
Oh right. My god, dude.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm jumping in the water.
I'm gonna manage. Wait, fuck, what?
What the fuck do you... Alright. Hold on here, hold on, hold on. We're chilling, we're chilling. That imp has 2 health.
Yeah, careful, careful on the right.
Get a peel here. And a bandage.
Fucking bitch.
Oh my fucking god, it's another summon, bro.
Gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go. Actually, we kill these here. We get a game though. Make pump this guy, everything.
Another sheep coming. Potion here.
Alright, we're good. Stabilize.
Gamers. Gamers.
Holy fuck.
Big poly here. 20 seconds on bandage. I'm gonna evocate. Yeah. Just gonna freeze it. Alright, big damage coming, big damage. Gamers, bro. Gamers. You gotta fucking shoot me with this stuff.
I have to take this guy.
Listen. Get on this side, where's the evacuation route, and we're not getting caught in these corners anymore. You're heading out now, fuck that escort quest, you're right, we don't want to be in this fucking bullshit, that's fine. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Big Pasta 92. I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you again.
I really hope I'm not gonna join these guys one day with the leveling, re-leveling again, man. We're gonna make it now. Wait, are you okay, my dude? You're hardcore. Wait, are you okay? Uh-oh. Run, my little man, run. No, 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 run, my little man. Oh, no. No, 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 run. Run, run, run. No, you're crazy. Oh, you have no mana. My little man, you're gonna die. Are you okay? I can't help him, guys. He's hardcore. I have to watch. Oh, no. Bro, please don't die. I believe in you. I believe in you. You need to keep kiting. Keep kiting. Yeah, keep kiting. Keep kiting. You need to have a wand or something. Oh, 25%, bro. The potion. Oh, the potion coming in clutch for my little man. Dude, he was prepared. Look at the gamer. Oh, shoot. Can we see the kill? Look at that. Easy. Good job. Look, oh, he's flexing. Look at that. Yo, what a gamer.
And everything's gone and dead. There's no more camps here. There's no more camps here. Oh. Are you okay, bro? Are you okay, bro? No, I'm gonna save him. I'm gonna save him. I'm gonna save him. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. You're good. You're good. Come on now. Right place, right time, bro. You live. Everybody gets one. Everybody gets one. Have a good day, adventurer. Thank you. You saved me. Yep. That's for you, bud. That's all for you. You have a good night. Whew. I mean, I won't say that I'm a hero. That's for other people to say. But that was heroic. I don't know. I don't know. You almost died, brother. You almost died. But Big Pasta said not today. Big Pasta said you live. Alright. Famous last words. I am not going to die here. Bitches. Get AoE'd, nerds. Oh my fucking god, the camp just spawned. Holy fucking shit, get me the hell out of here. Okay, I was just kidding. Fuck you guys. Holy fucking shit, that was sketchy. No, 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 no. No wandering plague for you, sir. Alright, let's get a full drink off here. I'm just gonna log out and take a piss real quick. Give me 2 seconds, guys. No commercials. Go nowhere. Imagine I didn't sit there and check to make sure I 100% logged out. Just for shits, let's see if that fucking stays on me. No, it looks like if the logout goes through, you're good in that situation. Actually, fucking toxic. That thing just spawned right there and attacked me, though. Always double check, boys. Quick break. We'll be right back. Oh, no. There's the copper. We're going. Alright. Alright. And every single one is just guarded by these big blue fucks. You put a bunch of NPCs around my valuable shit in the game? God damn it, man. You are cucking me. Big brain, big brain, big brain, big brain. Dana, 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 dana. Come on. Come, come, come. Oh, fuck you, dude. He's coming right towards me. Oh, that's it. That's all. Okay, that thing is the dumbest motherfucker I've ever seen in my life. That is the actual stupidest thing that has ever existed in World of Warcraft. No Tiger's Eye either. You are so fucking dumb, dude. I'm out. Peace. Come, come, come. Holy shit. Oh my god, that leeway actually almost just killed me. That is so fucking dangerous. Holy Christ. That was super close. We almost had a death highlight, boys. Goes to show you, don't stick around them mobs too long. Dude, leeway is so fucking dumb. That was literally what killed Esquire. That could have been my run right there. AoE grinding. Why do they do it, mages? They're so fucking crazy.